Hey everybody, welcome back to the Traveling2See channel. Traveling2See Eat. Where are we eating today? Today we're in Gulfport, Mississippi, trying out a local favorite sandwich shop. Monster Subs and Sandwiches, famous for massive meat-packed subs and hearty flavors. Let's go see what makes this place stand out. We're here at 1223 30th Avenue, right off the Gulf Coast, right off of Route 49, which goes up to Interstate 10 and down to Highway 90, Beach Boulevard. So what are you going to see in this video? An overview of Monster Subs and Sandwiches in Gulfport, Mississippi, ratings and reviews, our experience in January of 2026, first impressions, menu offerings, taste, quality, and value, service, cleanliness, travel tips when visiting there, verdict, what's our rating, and Mississippi Gulf Coast visitor information. What'll be the next video to see on Traveling2See? We'll show you how to find out, how to find some other great videos on Traveling2See. And at the end of this video, Monster Subs and Sandwiches full menus for your review. But let's get on with it. Monster Subs and Sandwiches in Gulfport, Mississippi. And also some other related restaurants in the area is Tavi's Salamaria. You can see our video on that. Sandwich shop, fresh food from Italy and Spain. That's a good one. And also the Tamale Shack in Gulfport, Mississippi. Great place for tamales, burritos, and the like. And our top 5 restaurants near the Gulfport beaches 2024, and we'll be building a new list for 2026. So the website for Monster Subs, you can see the links in the description below. Ultimate Sub and Sandwich Adventure. Welcome to Monster Subs and Sandwiches, where we take your taste buds on an epic journey with our mouth-watering subs and sandwiches. Find out why we are so highly rated. Look at those pictures of some of their offerings there. You can order online from their website, and there is their hours, Monday through Friday, 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday, 11 to 2, and closed on Sundays. Reviews from folks who live around here are mostly glowing. Many visitors say sandwiches here are some of the best in the Gulfport area, with big portions and friendly service. They've got a Facebook page as well. Monster Subs has over 7,000 followers. And TripAdvisor rates them very highly. 4.7, 44 reviews, of which 36 are excellent reviews. You don't see any terrible reviews at all. And how about Google? How do they rate them? Monster Subs and Sandwiches, 4.7, 616 reviews on Google. And Yelp also rates them very highly. 4.5 with 121 reviews. What did we find? Myself, Blair, and my beautiful wife, Emily, at Monster Subs in Gulfport, Mississippi. First thing you'll notice is the casual, friendly vibe inside. They're known for a big deli-style sandwiches made fresh to order with generous portions that live up to the monster name. Monster Sub and Sandwiches, 1223 30th Avenue, Gulfport, Mississippi, right off the beach. They've got a nice looking building right there, lots of parking. There's parking on the north side of the building as well, very conveniently located, just a couple blocks from the beach. When you go inside, there you can see the whole layout. There they've got the menus on the walls, and you step up and you see where it says order here. You put your order in, and you can pick some chips along the way if you want to. And then on the right side, down on the end, is where you pay. So now let's take a closer look at the menu. On the menu, you've got classics like the Italian Sub Reuben and the signature Monster Sub, all piled high with meats, cheeses, and toppings. There are also salads if you want something lighter, but honestly, you're not here but for the sandwich. Now we'll zoom in on the menu here. I apologize, it's a little blurry, but you can see that they have that menu there on the wall there. And also, they have the menu on the back wall as well. And the full menu is at the end of this video, so you can check it out there. But you make your selections as we did. We made our selection there, and then you go down the other end of the counter and you pay the bill. And here's the bill. Got a sandwich for $8.99, a little monster sandwich for $10.75, and 2 drink combos and a side of coleslaw for $3.50. And as far as drinks go, they've got a drink case there where you can get bottled drinks, or around the corner they do have a fountain, and they've got some iced tea there if you want to get that. So our lunch, what did we get? Well, here's Emily's sandwich. Look at that, a hot ham and cheese with some pickles and mustard and mayonnaise. Just look at the size of that. Isn't it wonderful? She really liked that for sure. And this is mine. I got the little monster. Look at that. And there's the side of coleslaw. So very good it is. Clean, absolutely clean. Service, the staff here are welcoming and helpful, which makes the experience even better. It's relaxed, no frills place, a great stop for lunch or casual bite when you're exploring Gulfport. And here is some travel tips for you if you plan on going to Monster Sub and Sandwich. Happy hour isn't really a thing here, and they'll close mid-afternoon on Saturdays. So if you're planning a visit, aim for the lunch earlier in the day. And trust me, come hungry, these sandwiches are huge, and plenty of free parking around the building. So that is a great place. I hope you agree. Emily and I really enjoyed our time at Monster Sub in Gulfport, Mississippi. And is it a great value? You bet. Taste, quality, value, oh yeah, absolutely. one of our favorite places for a sandwich. So that's Monster Subs and Sandwiches here in Gulfport, Mississippi. Big flavors, generous portions, and a cozy local vibe. If you're in the area and love a great sandwich, Fix's spot is worth checking out. Conveniently located in Gulfport, Mississippi, not far from the beach, and just a few miles from Interstate 10. Have you eaten at Monster Sub and Sandwiches? If so, let us know down in the comments. Tell us what your favorite selection is there. And subscribe for more Gulf Coast food reviews and travel tips from Traveling2See as we go across the Mississippi Gulf Coast and other locations. If you're going to be visiting coastal Mississippi, be sure to check out coastalmississippi.com. Great website, tell you all about what's going on Mississippi Gulf Coast. What's next on Traveling2See? Well, the best way to find out is to like and subscribe. That way you'll know what's coming up next. We've got top restaurant reviews playlists on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. And we've also got top attractions across the Mississippi Gulf Coast as well. Just finished Mardi Gras for New Orleans, Mobile, and the Mississippi Gulf Coast. So check all those out too. But now, as promised, here are the menus for Monster Sub and Sandwich right off of their website. So check this out. You'll be glad you did. Keep watching, keep traveling, enjoy life. God bless. See you in our next video.